Hey everybody, in this video we got a US lock branded kick cylinder and drilled 6, pinned 5. Bidding on the key is 32723 and got it in the vise upside down here, so I'm gonna give it a shot picking it this way. You guys can see here, hopefully. Alright, and see if we can go through it here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of tension on it. Okay, and I got 1 springy, 2 springy, 3 springy. Okay, 4 is binding. We'll click on 4. 5 springy, 1 springy. Okay, 2 is binding. Click on 2. 3 springy, 4 springy, 5 is binding. Click on 5. 1 is binding. And I thought we would be open there. Oh, 3 is binding again. And now we're open. Alright, so pretty easily picked there. And then just turn the vise around here, zoom out of here. And then the bidding on it, it is 32723. I mean, I got the key there with it written on it, but I just want to see how accurately it decodes it. Here's my first time trying to decode one of these guys. Should be alright, so just let it drop here, and it does go right to a 3, 2, 7, 2, you got to push a little bit there to get a 3. Yeah, pretty accurate. It'd be definitely good enough to get a working key and do whatever you needed to do with it. So that's nice there. It's also sometimes locks are hard to pick when they're upside down, but the Lishis actually do make it a lot easier. So pretty cool. And that will do it for this one then. And hopefully no one's tired of these yet, because I think I got a few more I'm going to do. That will do it for now, guys, and we'll talk to everybody later.